Hello, I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to discuss with you the GCE Ordinary Level 2018 English paper. Well, now it's time for us to discuss our next test, GCE Ordinary Level 2018 question paper. Today we are going to discuss test 6. The objective of this test is to assess the ability to write a note with the given information. So here you are given some information. So all what you have to do is to use this information and write a note to a friend using 40 to 50 words. You have to use about 40 to 50 words. Okay, let's read the question now. You are interested in joining an English camp with your best friend after the examination. I hope you can understand this. Okay, you are interested in joining an English camp with your best friend after the examination. Now, these prepositions will help you understand this. We usually use the preposition in with interested because you want to and you like joining, right? You are interested in joining what? An English camp. So, in your school, they are going to hold an English camp. So, you want to join it with your best friend. You also want your best friend to join you. So with your best friend, this is held after the examination. So after your examinations, school is going to hold an English camp. So what you want to do is to join it with your best friend. What's next? You went to his or her place. So you went to your friend's place, friend's house, he or she, right? You went to his or her place, that means your friend's place, to talk about it. Now you want your friends to join you, so you went to your friend's place to talk about it. But when you went there, your friend was not at home. When you went to see your friends, your friend was not at home. So, write a note to be left. So, you are asked to write a note to be left in his or her letterbox. Now, they have a letterbox fixed to the main gate. So, when you went to see your friend, he was not there. So, you are going to write a note and put it into his letterbox, his or her letterbox, and you are going to write your friend telling him or her about it. About it means about this English camp, and you want him to join you. So, you have to use about 40 to 50 words. You have to use about 40 to 50 words. And in your note, you must include the following. They are all given in the question. What are they? When you came. You have to write when you came in the note. And why you came. And you also have to write why you came there. And also ask him or her to call back. In your note, you must also ask him or her to call you back. Okay. So, with all these information, let's try to write a note. When you are writing a note, those dates and addresses are not necessary, right? When you are writing a letter, formal or informal, we need your address and your date and everything. But when you are writing a note, they are not absolutely necessary. Okay, let's write the note. Now pick up your writing books and start writing. First write dear and your friend's name. Dear, D-E-A-R, dear, D must be capital, and write your friend's name. So I shall write Sugat. You can write any name you like, right? It can be a boy or a girl, okay? So I write a boy's name, Dear Sugat. So Sugat is my friend. So I'm writing it. So I started it, Dear Sugat. Now let's write the note. I heard, H-E-A-R-D, I heard. That means I got to know. I heard that there is an English camp. I heard that there is, T-H-E-R-E, there is an English camp. English camp, E must be capital, right? So I heard, H-E-A-R-D, that there is an English camp in our school. In our school, you can write them. You can copy them from the question. In our school after the examination. Okay, that is the first sentence. I heard that there is an English camp in our school after the examination. After the examination. Okay, right. Now that is the first sentence. We start the note saying, Dear Sugat, and the first sentence is, I heard that there is an English camp in our school after the examination. Okay, now let's continue. Since I am really interested in, now write since, that is a conjunction, S-I-N-C-E, since I'm really interested. I am really, R-E-A-L-L-Y, really, interested in, I-N-T-E-R-E-S-T-E-D, interested in joining it, J-O-I-N-I-N-G, joining it with you. Since I am really interested in joining it with you, now, comma, I came to your house. I came to your house. C-A-M-E. I came to your house last afternoon. I came to your house last afternoon. That means yesterday afternoon. Last afternoon means I came to your house last afternoon to discuss, to talk with you, to discuss it with you. To discuss, D-I-S-C-U-S-S, to discuss it with you. That's the end of the sentence. So I shall repeat that. Since I am really interested in joining it with you, I came to your house last afternoon to discuss it with you. Now, next sentence. Unfortunately, U-N-F-O-R-T-U-N-A-T-E-L-Y. Unfortunately, you were not at home. Unfortunately, you were not at home. Unfortunately, you were, W-E-R-E, were not at home. Then last sentence. Can you please ring me? Ring me, or you can write call me. Can you please ring me, R-I-N-G, ring me, or telephone me, or even call me. Can you please ring me and, A-N-D, and confirm, C-O-N-F-I-R-M, confirm your participation. Your participation. P-A-R-T-I-C-I-P-A-T-I-O-N. Participation. Can you please ring me and confirm your participation? Then that's the end of the note. You write your name. Below that you write your name. I'll just write Kasun. Okay. Now our note is over. There are about 51 words. That's okay. You can write over 40, 45 or even 50. Now here in this note there are 51 words. I shall repeat. I shall read it again. Okay. Dear Sugat. You can check what you have written. Dear Sugat, I heard that there is an English camp in our school after the examination. Since I'm really interested in joining it with you, I came to your house last afternoon to discuss it with you. Unfortunately, you were not at home. Can you please ring me and confirm your participation? Kasun. That's it. So, if you can write a note like this, you will be able to get full mark. So, you will get totally 5 marks. The total mark for this question, test 6, is 5 marks. I am sure you can get this 5 marks. That is end of test 6. I hope you really understood it, and please reread the answer several times that you had written, and when you are asked to write a note like this, it's easy for you to answer a question like this. Okay.